Vibe coding flips traditional programming by letting you describe exactly what you want in plain English, while an AI handles the actual build. You just point to tools like Claude ChatGPT or GitHub-copilot and watch them generate the code. You set the vibe by describing the intent, the behavior, and the overall feel. The AI then tackles every technical detail behind the scenes. Think of it like directing a jazz session. You set the key, the mood, and the melody, then step back. Those musicians move at lightning speed, but occasionally hit a wrong note. You still have to keep a steady ear on the final track. The term caught fire on social media in late 2025 when creator Manshish popularized it. It has been spreading through developer circles ever since. This is not a software tool. It is a workflow where you talk to an AI and watch it generate code. You check the results and iterate until it matches your vision. Vibe coding actually runs on a tight 4-step cycle. You start by describing your idea in plain words. Tell it to build a coffee shop landing page with a menu location map and reservation button. The model instantly drafts the full code structure. Modern models deliver surprisingly complete scaffolding in one shot. You review the output to catch any mistakes and verify it matches your intent. Then you refine your description and let the AI adjust. You simply tell it to make the header bigger and use darker colors. The loop continues until everything aligns perfectly. You can vibe code everything from basic scripts and websites to data pipelines, automation workflows, and full apps. The AI handles the heavy lifting while you steer the project and check the results. The real shift from traditional coding is simple. You stop writing syntax and start writing specifications. You skip memorizing library APIs and never chase missing semicolons. You still need crystal clear goals and a sharp eye for AI mistakes. Think carefully about what you actually want, then watch for when the output drifts off track. Picture building a house. Traditional coding makes you the carpenter. You measure every board and hammer every single nail. Vibe coding flips the script. You step into the architect's seat to describe the vision. A builder team constructs it while you walk through to verify every door opens and every room feels right. You don't need to pick up a single hammer. You just need to know exactly how the finished home should stand. Google is betting big on vibe coding-friendly tools. They are building developer platforms. Google just unveiled Project Anti-Gravity, also called Deep Research. This experimental agentic coding tool generates and refines code straight from natural language prompts. It effectively bakes a complete vibe coding workflow right into the system. GitHub-copilot remains the most widely used AI pair programmer. Microsoft built it, but keeps it Google-adjacent with deep IDE integration that just fits. Claude from Anthropic and ChatGPT from OpenAI lead the pack as the two most popular general-purpose AI coding assistants. Creators lean on them daily for vibe coding. You do not need Google's specific tools to make this work. Vibe coding works wherever you have a capable AI coding assistant. Google is aggressively pushing into agentic workflows. Now, this entire category is impossible to ignore. Microsoft's Power Platform has fully embraced vibe coding. Power Apps Copilot lets you describe a business app in plain English and instantly generates the complete package. You get the full app, plus forms, data connections, and logic. This is vibe coding built for the enterprise. No-code professionals are now building internal tools without writing a single line of code. You describe what you need, and the AI builds it. You review and refine. The stakes are higher because these apps handle real business data. Vibe coding is not for everyone. It works best when you prototype fast or brainstorm freely. You only unlock AI coding when you know exactly what you want to build. You need to understand code well enough to catch mistakes, then fix them yourself. Use it to ship prototypes fast on small to medium projects or as a co-pilot while you learn. This platform builds actual skills instead of doing the heavy lifting for you. Think of it as a tutor, not a crutch. Building deeply specialized systems or chasing pixel-perfect optimization means AI tools fall short. Teams that demand rigorous code reviews quickly discover that AI-generated output needs the exact same scrutiny as any handcrafted codebase. Now we're diving straight into the other code. Vibe coding skips the syntax drills and framework memorization. You just practice problem decomposition by breaking big ideas into steps an AI can execute while mastering clear communication through prompts that leave zero ambiguity. Then you build code literacy by reading the output closely enough to catch errors. You also need code literacy to read and understand that output well enough to catch errors. Start with a small project like a personal website or an automation script. Pick a data dashboard if you prefer numbers. Then just describe it to an AI coding assistant. You will learn much faster by reviewing and fixing AI output than by staring at a blank editor. Just start building. If that made it click, subscribe. We break down the frontier of tech and AI every day.